So now come back to the battlefield. Think of the Pandavas' army and the Kauravas' army, their divisions, and think of one chariot, and in that chariot it is said, Mahati Sandane Sthitau. Mahati means great, Sandana means chariot, Mahati Sandane means in the great chariot, Sthitau, it is in dual. We have discussed couple of times. In Sanskrit language, we have singular, dual, and plural. Here, when it is, you will find Mahati Sandane Sthitau, Sthita, Sthitau, two. Two are there. If you think of Kathopanishad mantra, the soul is the charioteer sitting there. Soul is not doing anything. Okay? But here, who are sitting in the chariot? Who is the charioteer and who is the chariot driver? In Kathopanishad, it is said Buddhi, the intellect, is the chariot driver. Intellect is driving. And here who is driving, we are telling Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, who is the charioteer in Upanishad as the soul, is becoming the chariot driver in the battlefield, not for all. Hey Rathi, tume Sarathi ho. In Sanskrit there are two words, Rathi and Sarathi. Rathi and Sarathi. Sarathi, the chariot driver. You will be surprised to know, when Lord Krishna accepted to be the chariot driver, we remember the story when Arjuna requested to have Lord Krishna with him in the chariot and chariot driver. Can you imagine the role of the chariot driver? Here in India also the same thing happens to the car driver. One who drives the car, he takes care of the car. If there is some trouble, he will take the car to the mechanic. He will bring the car in the morning, he will clean the car to keep the car ready to be taken again in the trip. There is no fuel, there is this trouble, he knows. The role of the chariot driver is not just to drive the chariot, to take care of the horses. Can you imagine? Lord Krishna accepted the role of chariot driver, and his role is to take care of the horses, to take care of the chariot. The battle is over. In the night, Arjuna will go to take rest and sleep. Lord Krishna is to fix the chariot, is to take care of the horses, to give massage to the horses. The horses need massage. Not only that, while in chariot, while in the warfare, because one who is fighting, he is to see everywhere, he has no time to talk, take me to that side. With his leg, he touches. Right leg touching, go to the left, left leg touching, go to the right. Just to think, the chariot driver is sitting below, the charioteer is sitting in the back or standing in the back, and he's not telling, take me there. Just with the feet, touching, through that touch, the chariot driver knows where to go. Can you imagine, why did Lord Krishna accept this role? This is not such a comfortable or pleasant role. Come to our life. The body is the chariot. Tell me, when you sleep, you as the individual or jiva, you sleep, you forget your existence. The soul within or divinity within is eternally awakened, nourishing this body, rejuvenating the senses, energizing the mind, keeping this body chariot fit again to come back to the battlefield next life, next morning. Gurudev used to tell, do you know, God is not only your friend, Tomeva mata cha pita tomeva bandhuscha sakha tomeva. Here, he's even coming down to be even the lesser position like Sarathi. Sarathi is you can tell, as the servant. Sarathi is the servant who is driving the chariot. Yes, you are my friend, you are my, but he is serving so much. Why he is serving you? Because Lord loves you. That's all. Where there is love, there is no question of thinking what I am doing. Whatever I am doing, because I love my children. I love my children, I am ready to do anything. I love my devotees, I am ready to do everything. I love where there is love, there is no consideration of any position, superior or inferior. And we saw in Rajasuya Yajna of Yudhishthira, Lord Krishna did not hesitate to wash the feet of the guests, to clean the place where they were eating, to clean the place, to wash the feet. Very ordinary work, but you just think. And if we really pray to God, oh God, just you direct me where to go. I don't know. You drive and I will go. I don't know. I'll completely surrender to you. The devotees do that. They completely surrender. Nothing is my wish. Gurudev used to tell, thy will be done, Father. Thy will be done, not my will. Ami ratha, tumi rathi, jemni chalao, temni chali. As you drive, I'll go. Tell me what to do, I'll do it. Because my mind is having ego, my mind is having emotion. I surrender you completely. Help me, tell me. I want to follow you, not to follow my own mind, emotion, fear, anxiety, because that creates so much of trouble and confusion. Help me.